Hi everyone, Agnes here. Now, I have got a brand new premium coaching package. Now, this is a little bit about it for those of you that might be interested. It's called City Break. So you're going to have 6 hours coaching a day with me for 2 days running in London. Okay, it's a bespoke service and it can be tailored to meet any additional possible requirements, but it will be inclusive of this below service. Now, 2 days. Day 1, we will pick you up from the Coach Trainer Airport to meet and greet you, limited to Heathrow and Stansted Airport if travelling into London from out of London. You will be accompanied and dropped off at your hotel or Airbnb, and you will spend 2 to 3 hours approximately later once you have freshened up. There will be 2 meals included, lunch, brunch and dinner dependent upon your time of arrival. Pick up from your accommodation and travel for a meal and a coaching session in central London at a designated quaint restaurant and cocktail bar that we have partnered with. On day 2, you will have breakfast, brunch or lunch included depending on your time of travel at a quality cafe we have partnered with, or an alternative dependent upon where your actual accommodation is located, and the final coaching session at your Airbnb or hotel accompanied by debriefing on the way to your coach, train or airport for your departure. Okay, now during all of this, there will be one discreet security supervisor, although at a distance, to prevail our privacy of conversation for both our safety and peace of mind. Okay, so if this is something that may interest you, the link is down below and you can go and have a look at more detail. So that's it. Lots of love.